on it, so I'm gonna look up some of these pictures. I'm so excited. Here they are. This cool poster. This is the final product. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my part 2 to my redecorating my room video. It is actually pretty late. It's 8:36 p.m. and I'm just starting this now, but I usually get in the mood to do these kinds of things at night anyway, so I'm just gonna get right into it. I already started looking online for pictures, more pictures to put on my wall, and I found this picture on Visco. Yes, this is what it looks like. And it has all these cool pictures on it, so I'm gonna look up some of these pictures and print them out, the ones that I like, and it also just gave me some ideas for more pictures I can find. Also, last night I put up my LED lights. I love them, they're so cool, and I have some footage of me putting them up from last night, so I'll insert that here. Hey guys, so it is the night before I'm filming this video, and my LED lights came in the mail. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for these for so long. I thought they were coming last Thursday, but then I made a mistake and they actually came this Thursday, which is today. But I didn't want to wait till tomorrow to put them up because I'm just so excited, and I've wanted LED lights for so long and I finally got them, so I'm just really excited. Here they are in this little box. I haven't taken them out yet. They were already opened, which is like kind of weird. Like, this is how it came. I just opened it and this is what it looked like. Kind of weird. I connected all of the wires and I plugged it into the wall, and okay, that's really bright, but you can see that it's working. Now I just have to hang them up, and I'm thinking I will hang them up starting here and then going all the way along and then all the way around until they stop. And then what's cool about these is you can cut them. I'm not sure if you could see, but right there in that copper thing, there's a place to cut every 3 little spaces, and that's really helpful because obviously not everyone's room is the same size, and you might need to cut it short for it to fit perfectly around your room. And I'll definitely need one more, like 16.5 foot, in order to finish the entire room. This won't, I got 32.8 feet, but I probably won't get that for a while because it's not really too necessary. The LED lights actually will be going up one of the corners of the room, so I chose this one just because I think it'll always be covered no matter if I rearrange my furniture. And it's also right next to an outlet, and it's not like in the way of anything, I feel like. Whereas if I put it in that corner, I feel like it would just interfere with the pictures and stuff, and there's no other corner of my room near an outlet that I can put it at. So there's only those 2 options, and I feel like this one would just be better. Anyways, rambling over, I'm gonna attach these to the wall now. Okay guys, so I finished putting the lights on, whispering because my family is sleeping, but it looks so cool, so I'm gonna give you a grand reveal. 3, 2, 1. I literally love it so much. Like, it's so vibey. Like, that word is probably gross to some people, but it literally is so vibey. And like a comics tape, it makes me look so funny. But I couldn't finish, as you could see, but like it still looks good. And this is like the main part of my room, I feel like, that people see, so it's fine. And then I can also just get more to connect because, like I said before, you can connect them, and it also came with these connector things. I need to figure out how they work, but I'm so excited. So I'm gonna look for the pictures and then I'll show you guys which ones I print out. So let me turn this off. So I know it's really yellow lighting, I'm sorry, just because it's late and I only have my lamp on, but I printed out this picture of Timothy Chalamet. I made this little, I actually like edited it, so basically it was a cute little picture of him smiling with like this bluish background, but it was just too dark, so I made it black and white. And then I erased the blue background, then I put in a pink background, and then I made this yellowish border so it could look kind of like a poster, like a vintage poster almost. And then I have this picture of like retro shorts from the 50s, and then this picture of flowers, and then this picture of Kendall Jenner, and then this cool poster thing. I'm gonna cut it out, and yeah. But I think I might Mod Podge this one and this one, and leave these paper so they look more like posters, but I feel like I would want those to look more like pictures, like photographs, so yes. I'm also going to rearrange my walls so all the pictures are a little closer together. And then I think I'm going to take off like the Polaroids and like the little tidbits, and then might move them somewhere else. I'm going to decide. I'm going to think about it, but yeah. Okay, so this is the final product. Of course, I'm gonna be still adding more pictures as I go and as I find them, and I still have 2 pictures over there that are drying because I Mod Podged them. But for now, I think it's really cute, and I'm glad I pushed them closer together. Now I can just add more, and I just think it'll look really cool. But now, I was taking pictures over here. I took my parents' mirror and I put it there, and I just loved the vibe, and I loved how like the mirror was right there. I just think it would look, just my room would look better with a mirror there. I don't know why I felt that, but I do. So I got the idea of either buying a bigger mirror, because this mirror is really small, so you could see me, but it's really small. I also made this piano bench, and I don't want it to go to waste per se. Like, I don't want all my hard work to go to waste, because like, I mean, my dad literally made this bench, well, not the bench, but like, you know, put the fur on and like painted it, whatever. So I thought maybe I could put the mirror on the bench, so the mirror would still be tall enough I could still use the bench. I'm not sure how it's gonna look, but I'm gonna play around with like this little area, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this. This is like kind of weird. I'll show you. I feel like this just looks kind of weird. Or maybe it doesn't. I don't know. Maybe just a little tall, because I wouldn't be able to like see my feet. I don't really know how I feel about this. Okay guys, so I think I finished the little area. I think I figured it out. I'll show it to you guys. So this is what I came up with. I still have to put way more on these shelves, but for now this is what it looks like, because I don't have everything. And then this is my little area. I have some pictures and my favorite little paper that one of my teachers gave me, and then my ukulele. And I figured out this could work best, I feel like. Then I put this basket that used to hold my blankets, all my records in there. And then I put the bench that used to be over there right at the end of my bed. Yeah, so I'm gonna be putting the piano away. I know my room's a mess, so don't judge. I just moving stuff around, so it's gonna be a mess. It is a mess. The next thing I'm gonna do is make stuff for this wall. So I have this that I made in the last video, and then I also have this, which I made. I never showed you guys what it looked like, but this is the final thing. I wish I had resin for this. It's like kind of ugly, I'm not gonna lie, but at the same time I kind of like it. So I'm gonna decide if I should put it up or not. I'll see. I wish I had resin. I could always buy resin and redo this to make it more like how I pictured it, but for now this is what we have. And sorry, my voice sounds so weird because I'm in between whisper and speaking because my whole family's asleep. I say that a lot, but it's true. I had some ideas to paint some things for this wall. I'm gonna look at my phone, look up some ideas, and then I'll get back to you guys and show you guys what I'm doing. So I finally found the reference that I was talking about on my phone, and it is this picture right here. So what the girl did was I'll just play it. She painted little designs in each little thing, and then in the middle she put a person, just thinking, but I don't know if I want to put a person or like flowers. I was thinking about like a plant. So I have to decide what I want to put in the middle, but I think I'm gonna just do the painting, and it's gonna take me a while because those are intricate designs and I kind of wanted the same thing she's doing. And by the way, her TikTok is at MegDog, the TikTok god. So that was who I got the inspo from. But I showed you guys in the last video I have canvases, or I don't know if I showed you, but I have. But I have a few canvases I can use, so I'm gonna start that now. Okay guys, so I finally found a picture that I'm gonna put on. It took me so long to think of something, but I have this picture of Kendall Jenner eating a lollipop, and I think it looks so good on here. I'm gonna paint the canvas now, and I'll do a little time lapse so you guys can see it.